Hello everyone, this is Aarti Naik. I welcome you to ERA Tutorials. In this lecture today we are going to learn one English poem for class 8 subject English unit 1 1.1 poem, that is A Time to Believe. In this poem I am going to explain the poem along with question answers. So this is the page of English Balbharti of Maharashtra state. Let us begin with warming up. Yeah, this poem is related to a time to believe, that means believe in yourself, that means lots of hopes are there, keep faith on yourself, and for that we need to study this warming up. In this question number 1, think, choose and fill up the label with what a sunrise symbolized. So sunrise is symbolizing what? It symbolizes art, health, hope, birth, jewelry, new opportunities, inspiration, happiness, new achievements, bright moments, new aims, money, new surprises, and hope. Question number 2. An acrostic is a poem or a write up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically. Okay, that means vertically you have to read the word. For example, for friend, faithful, reliable, inspiring, encouraging, noble and dedicated. Like that you can with your benchmate group or complete the acrostic of believe and faith. So to believe means be certain of, expect, love, idealize, endorse, virtues, emerge strong, and for faith, fallible, assertive, ideal, truth and hope. So this acrostic are very wonderful. You can play it like a game also with your friends. Okay, next. Now let us begin with the poem, A Time to Believe. Now this is the real time where you have to believe in yourself, because now you are in class 8. Class 8 is very decider class grade in which you can decide that in future which career you want to select, and for that you must have to believe in yourself that what I can do better. You have to find out your interest, and this poem will help you to find it out. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. If we say every day is a new beginning and we don't know what will happen tomorrow, is to trust that miracle happens and dreams really do come true. That means here poet want to say, do not afraid about the tomorrow, because believe that some miracles will happen and dreams really do come true. Something will happen which will be in your favor. So have believe in yourself. Have belief in yourself that, and keep believing yourself, so that you will come to know that tomorrow is also good for you. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. That means nobody knows, but from childhood we are learning this, we are listening this, that heaven is there above the cloud in the sky, and we can believe that angels are dancing among the clouds. So it gives us some happiness. To know the wonder of a stardust sky. Now stardust means what? Having a magical quality. If we see, so you will be in surprise that which magical qualities the sky has. So if you see sky, every day it keeps on changing different colors. During sunrise, sky color of sky is different. At afternoon it is different. At noon it is different. During evening it is different. And if rainy season is, then you can see lots of variety of color in the sky. Okay, and you can see sometimes rainbow also during rainy season. So this is just like a magic only. At night you can see twinkling stars. Moon is there which keeps on changing shape every day, and the wisdom of a man in the moon, we can believe in that also, that man is there in the moon and he is very intelligent. So that is the magical quality of sky. So we should believe that something is there, and that's why we can enjoy the magical quality of the sky. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. Nurturing means what? The things which provide us nourishment, who care us and who protect us. Okay. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart. So who is nurturing us? Our parents are nurturing us. So we should believe in our parents. The innocence of a child's eyes. That means children are saying some very truth. If you want to judge anything, if you ask the children, definitely they will say the truth, because at that age people don't know to cheat others. Okay. So the innocence of a child's eyes. And the beauty of an aging hand. Beauty of an aging hand means who has aging hand? Our grandparents have aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. So from their teaching only we are learning how to love each other, how to take care of each other. So we should believe that whoever are with us in our family, definitely they are going to take care of us, they are going to protect us, and they are going to teach us lots of teachings, lots of things with their experience. So we should believe in our family. Next stanza. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. That means I can also do something. Believe in yourself that you can also do something. Before doing only, if we are saying that this is impossible for me, then you will never learn the things, because impossible is only saying that I am possible for everyone. You keep on trying, definitely everything will be possible for you. So here poet is saying that believe in yourself. To believe is to find the strength. Until and unless you will not believe in yourself, you will not come to know what strength you are having. When it time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Now pick up the pieces means what? Sometime it happens that something may happen, that because of that we may lose the courage, or there are lots of hurdles in our life. It is not necessary that all the time we are becoming successful. Sometimes we have to face failure also, and at that time again we have to, after failure we have to return back to our normal life. So that is, for that we need courage and strength. So believe that strength and courage is already present in you, it already lies within us. To believe is to know we are never alone, because God has made someone for us. So never ever think that I am alone, nobody is with me. Your family is with you. There are so many people who are taking care about you. So you are never alone. That life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. That means we don't know when again we will get this type of life. So this life is gift to us. We should enjoy each and every moment. Cherish means hold something as a very dear and of great value. That means life is of very great value. So it is a gift to us. So there are so many things in this world which we can enjoy with our life. After death nobody gets anything. So whenever you are alive, whatever time is with you, that you have to enjoy instead of wasting it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. To believe that all the time God will not do wrong things with you. All the time wrong things will not come to you. Sometime it may happen that some wonderful surprises are there, and these surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. That means everything is possible in our life. It is within reach. There is nothing we cannot achieve. Nothing that we cannot achieve. Even people try to go on the moon and they reached on the moon. They go on Mars also. So you can believe that nothing is impossible for us. So believe in yourself and try to achieve your goal. Try to set your goal first and then try to achieve it. Definitely you will get it, because life is like a day and night. Sometimes you are getting happiness, sometimes you are getting sadness. But after all night, happy days are there. So we have to believe in it, that believe in yourself that I can do it, I can complete my goal, whatever goal I have set, I can achieve it, and definitely I can become a successful person in my life. So this poem is full of positivity, and it changes our thinking as a optimistic. That means we have to always develop our positive attitude, which will help us to overcome all the problems in our life. Okay, I hope that everybody might have understood the poem. Now let us discuss English workshop. Rearrange the letters to make meaningful words. Okay, so meaningful words we have to do. Here words are given in jumbled way, you have to arrange it in proper way to get a meaningful word. Okay, so first is miracles, second is wisdom, then courage, surprises, beauty, dreams, value, wonder. Okay, so here letters are misplaced, you have to just rearrange it to get a meaningful word. Okay, you can try it. Write the word from the poem that describe the following. So sky is described by what? Stardust. What adjective is used for sky? Stardust. Then for heart, nurturing heart. For hand, aging hand. For beginning, new beginning. For surprises, wonderful surprises. Now question number 2, say why. That means here you have to give the reasons. The sky has magical quality. Why the sky has magical qualities? The sky has magical qualities because it has scurrying clouds. Scurrying means always keep on moving. Clouds, a beautiful moon which keep on changing its shape every day, and twinkling stars. So all these things are amazing in the sky, and with the help of that we can say that sky has a magical quality. B. Even an aging hand has beauty. Now aging hand means grandparents. Here aging hand means grandparents. So even an aging hand has beauty because it can teach us how to love, and that is very important in our life. C. We should believe that we are strong and courageous. We should believe that we are strong and courageous so that we can overcome the difficulties and shocks in our life and can come back to our normal lives again. Now make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept as true. First, that every day is a new beginning. Second, that miracle happens. Third, that dreams come true. 4, that there are angels dancing among the clouds. 5, that the sky has a magical quality. And 6, that there is a man in the moon who is wise. Now question number 4. Find from the poem positive qualities to fill up the wave. So which positive qualities are described in the poem? Courage, to cherish, to pick up the pieces, to believe, and strength. These are the positive qualities. Read the lines below. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. The above line contain a human characteristic. Dancing given is to something non-human. Angels are non-human. Okay. So angels are the supernatural identity. It is not the human, but they are doing the activities of the human. So this is the figure of speech personification, where human quality is compared with the non-human. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. To believe is to know life is a gift. Lines in the poetry such as the above state a general truth and can be used as saying quotes, etc. They contain a figure of speech called epigram. Epigram is closely resembles to a proverb, or epigram you can say it is a witty statement also. That means if you when you read these statements, you will get some knowledge from it. So in poem, some examples of epigrams are given. Okay, let us see. To believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. That is, this is intelligent statement that if you want to know the nurturing heart, you have to believe. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us. So, these are the examples of epigram. Okay. So, with this, all question answers are discussed here. I hope that all are clear with the question and answers. So, if you have any problem in understanding any of the question, you can write down in the comment box and try to understand, means try to write down this in your notebook, so that it will be easy for you to revise it again and again to make the things clear. Thank you very much for listening my video and lecture very patiently. I hope that everybody has understood this poem. This is a life lesson you can learn from this poem. In next lecture, I will come with your next topic. Please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon, so that you will get new update, whenever I am going to upload my new video, you will immediately get in message about it. Thank you.